Good evening, everybody. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, traditionally for the land of the rising sun. If today is the first day you're watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. This is technical analysis based on advanced method of Elliott Wave theory. I use it to trade, teach, analyze forex, cryptocurrency, stock, indices, commodities, whatever that is can be traded. I analyze and trade. On the bottom of this video, you will see some links to use to join my Telegram channel. Two of them, they are free. If you need mentorship, you want to learn from me. If you like the way I analyze and trade and you want to learn from me, you will also see my phone number, which you can contact me through either Telegram or WhatsApp. So let's go into the business. If you can go back to other videos, I will be showing you daily charts today, unless it is to show you. So maybe this video will not be long. I think maybe it will be short. So for a long time, DSY is where I usually start. For a long time, we are waiting for confirmation of DSY. I mean, dollar have been DSY have been going up for a long time, and on daily charts, I show you that we are at the reversal point. So now, what do we have? Sometimes we will like to see a straight impulse, something like this, before we know that it is impulse. Yeah, that's very good. But sometimes we don't see it. Sometimes we see what we call slow start. So here is the slow start we are experiencing now. So now this is wave 1, wave 2. Wave 3 is still developing. After that, you get to wave 4, then wave 5. Then after that, another move, we keep going. So now it's time to sell DSY. No need to buy DSY again. So, but I would advise you, it may sell from here before this. So I will not sell this. Maybe I may buy this. If the structure is good, I may buy this. Then when I get this sell, it will be a long time sell. Okay, so DSY is for sale alone. USD card. USD card is also a sell. The structure doesn't seem good. I mean, the same with DSY, but you can see since we have 5 waves here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 waves, and this is wave 1. This is wave 2. Whatever is happening here will be wave 3. Then we get wave 4, something like this, wave 5, then another ABC, then continue. So now USD card is sell. But if you are afraid that we may get a new high, you can leave it until it breaks this low. Once it breaks this low, you can plan to sell. So that's it. For those who are conservative, already I'm selling it from here already. Okay. So let's go to USD chef. USD chef, the same situation, is making a slow start. You can see this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to get what we call leading diagonal. And after that, we get a buy, which may end at this point, or it may go higher. As long as it doesn't break this high, this remains wave 1. Unless it begins to buy and make a new high, then this will be maybe wave 4. It means that this wave 4 will be here. Then a new high, but I don't expect a new high from here again. Since DSY is selling. USD. USD is now buying. During the week, many wave traders are confused whether this is A, B, C. Then if that is an ABC, then we get a new low. But right now, I'm no longer looking for a new low because this is simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no confusion about that. So I'm waiting for an ABC to buy. Once I begin to buy, it will be a long time trade. Okay. Pounds USD. The same situation. The same situation. We were thinking about this being an ABC, that is W, X, maybe ABC with Y to get a new low. It didn't happen. And if you watch my video, I said, last week video, I said that we likely get a leading diagonal as wave one, which is just what just happened. So here is wave one, wave two, and so on. So now is buying. Okay. AUD USD. The same situation, they are all buying. Okay. I didn't label this, but okay, this is wave one, wave two. This wave three is still developing. We may get a long time trading before we get to wave three. So all this move is an internal wave. Though I label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but they are all internal waves. So this is wave two, a major wave. The wave three is still developing. Okay, so you can see this is wave one again, wave two, wave 3, 4, 5. So it will be a buy market, maybe next 2, 3, 4 months, they continue to buy. Pounds USD, sorry, using the USD. Using the USD, the same situation. All you need to do is to look for buy setup and buy. Wave one, ABC, expanding flat, wave two. So whatever is happening here is internal structure of wave three. So what is for 0.5, 0.59, 0.6, and so on. So buying, no confusion. Henceforth, I will replace JPY basket with JP25. JPY basket moves opposite of JPY pays. All the yen pays. If JPY basket is buying, yen pays will be selling. If JPY basket is selling, yen pays will be buying. So now we have a lot of work to do on. Okay, let me show you daily on JPY basket for a reason. So now, what I want to show daily on this, because I not been using it for analysis. So I begin to use it this year. I want to show you that we are looking for an ABC. This is wave A. Now, where we have issue is that, is this the whole correction at wave B? If this is the case, it means that this move will continue buying from here to this point. And if it happens, JPY pays will be selling, yen pays will be selling. So right now, we have two options. Either that this is wave W, this is wave X, then wave Y will drop here. So now, how do you want that will happen? This looks so possible to happen. Then when you go down to lower time frame, you will know whether it will happen or not. So for now, let me go to 4 hours. 4 hours, then I will automatically go to 1 hour. Because this is the time I show you this table basket. So now, in 4 hours, you can see the 4 hours will help us better. Now, what I'm trying to say, in 4 hours, you can observe that the possibility of this ABC is there. Then another possibility is that this can be wave one, then this can be wave two, then this can be wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will make what we call lean diagonal. So in order not to waste your time, if it keeps going up and breaks this line, watch out for sell setup, so the buy setup, then you begin to buy. Then if it keeps going down, which I will show you on 1 hour, you can now look for sell. For those who can sell it, you know, I use it to analyze yen pairs. So if it begin to sell, I will continue buying yen pairs. If it begin to buy, I will continue selling yen pairs. So is a kind of mirror that I used to monitor yen pairs. 1 hour. So now 1 hour looks clearer because as we can see on ABC with W and ABC expanding flat with X, then this with Y seems that it must happen. So I think we must get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is likely to happen. And if it begins to sell, like if you get this and ABC, it means it will sell. And if it is selling, yen pairs will be buying. And once it begins to buy from here, yen pairs will be selling. So I don't know how to explain further to you. So just take it like that for now. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. It's still buying. The same way it's difficult to know when the buying stop. That just as I show you on table basket, this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A, B, C, wave B. So it likely it will keep buying. Or let me show you the 4 hours. It's likely the buying continues. So maybe we may get to 168, 169 before we begin to sell. That is to say, if the JPY baskets continue selling, then this will continue to buy until we get to 168, 169, 170 before the selling will start. So the channel is also a guide for us to know that the buying is still, the buying continues. USD JPY. Let me go to 1 hour. We are looking for it to buy more, though it looks as if it will drop. Maybe it will break this low, then begin to buy again. While looking at it, it's like an ABC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again before it begins to buy. So I don't recommend selling any of yen pairs now. I don't recommend selling any of yen pairs now. Rather, look for buy setup. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY, I traded this and I lost. I traded it and I lost the trade. When this drop happened, I take this as correction. Then I sold. It later turned and came a stop loss and begin to buy. So now that's part of trading. You win some, you lose some. But what is important? When you lose small, or you go out on break even. But when you win, you win big. So I lost small. If I get this type of setup, I'm looking at here. I'm looking at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I get it, if I get nice setup from here, I may sell from here down here, and I will buy again before selling again. So remember the rule: when you win big, when you lose small, or you stop out at break even. No place for losing big. Don't lose big. When setup is when stop loss is too far from setup, leave it and look for another one to trade. Gold. Gold. Let me try to tell you on gold. Gold. This is what I'm looking at. I'm looking for gold. I'm looking for setup from gold. So give me this ABC. So this big ABC have been my target for a long time. So gold will likely sell towards 2,560, 2,520 area, or 2,600. So This is why I say you need to have setup before you sell. In all my calculation, I was thinking that gold will sell from here, but it didn't sell. And I didn't see any sales setup, so I didn't sell. Right now, I'm looking for setup on gold. So silver, same thing. I'm looking for setup on silver to sell. Gold is now cooking something interesting. Okay, so the setup I'm looking for, we definitely get it this coming week. Silver, there's something on silver I didn't like much, though it does happen, what we call truncation. I was expecting silver to get to this reversal zone, but as things stand, it seems it won't get there again. Then to be on the safe side, allow silver to break this channel. Then you begin to sell, unless you have the scale to sell it around here without risking much. I'll be monitoring it on 15 minutes time frame. If I get a nice setup, I will sell before the break of this trend line. Okay, but remember, it may see do something like this, go back to complete the target before selling. Okay, so let's continue. Platinum, I'm looking for sell again of platinum. This will what seems to have that will happen. Okay, a drop towards 940, 910, 905, or even 900. I don't know. But I know that if silver and gold will begin to sell, it will also sell. Maybe something like this will happen before the buy will start. Oil, US oil. Oil is one of my favorite trades, but I didn't sell oil from here. I missed the trade because it didn't give me a nice setup. Okay, when oil dropped to this place, I see it as wave one, and I'm looking for a nice wave two to sell. It didn't happen. It keep dropping gradually. What we can call leading that, not leading that, but I call it slow start. So now I'm waiting for oil to give me a nice correction. Then I will sell oil. I still maintain that oil can still go down to 60. Okay, so for now, oil haven't given me a nice setup. Therefore, I yet to sell oil. So no setup, no trade. That's my motto. If you trade anyhow, you lose anyhow. You better not trade than trade and lose. And I don't scalp. I like to trade and relax. It doesn't make sense that you will be on the screen all the time trying to catch 10 pips, 15 pips with a lot of stress. I don't like that. For US 100, yeah, it's going to be an impulse. US 100 may have finished the correction here. Once the price goes above this place, forget about this X. It means that this is wave one, maybe wave two, and so on. It's continue to go up, but the possibility of making double correction is still here. So that's all it is on other indices. S&P 500 has broken the last low. So now ABC has ended the correction. So whatever we may have now will be a little drop towards this place. Maybe it will correct to this place and continue buying. Okay, that's what I expect for S&P 500. US 30. US 30. I'm looking for this, but this move is impulsive in nature. So the two things can still happen. We may still get this move, or we get the ABC, then buy. So if I get this ABC, I look for buy setup around here, and I will buy. Okay, but if I get sharp move down, maybe I will look for buy around here. Then if I have the chance to sell, I will sell, depending on the setup I get. Right now, it seems that this move have completed the correction. So it looks up awkward to call this A, B, C, but that's what market is showing us. So, okay, I think now to go to Bitcoin. Let me go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is let me say is in difficult situation right now. I mean, the signs I'm seeing that the those who are buying are getting tired. Many people are moving, are taking their profit, or maybe people are no longer investing. So Bitcoin, I am actually looking for one more push up. Then I begin to sell. So now, what do we have on Bitcoin? Let me show you. I show you this either last week or I showed this on my Telegram channel. I forgot, but I shared this. This look like an A, B, C, D, E, which seems to be that I am correct. So this can be wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2 of internal structure, and so on. So if Bitcoin goes above this place, above 106, 100 or thereabout, okay, let me be sure. If Bitcoin goes above 107, 200, then expect it to continue buying. And my final destination for Bitcoin is around between 115 to 120. Once Bitcoin comes to 116, I'll be looking for sell because to me, the bullish market is about to end. What about what the media is saying? They may tell you that that it's going to 200,000. Well, if it goes there, I will like it, but I don't see it in this chart. Okay, so now, and secondly, let me show you something. For those who understand the candlestick pattern, let me show you. This pattern is a reversal pattern or candlestick pattern. This pattern is a reversal pattern. What does it mean? It means that this can make an A, B, C. So if Bitcoin comes to this zone again, don't be surprised because I have seen a candlestick pattern, and that would not even be out of place because it means that this is A, B, C, or A, B, C, D, E, or maybe this is with A, B, C, D, E. Then it goes down, but this pattern is a pattern that can set this Bitcoin down here. Meanwhile, you must know a pattern before you buy or sell. I'll be looking for buy setup where Bitcoin breaks this trend line. I look for buy. Then if it drops, I will watch this lower trend line to know whether I will buy or sell. So the drop toward this trend line will determine what I will do. So that's for Bitcoin. Maybe I'll show you Ethereum and I will end the video. Okay, Ethereum. What do we have on Ethereum? Ethereum seems to be tired of Ethereum is not buying like Bitcoin. Once it's moved away from 100, this is A, B, C, W. Okay, so this is what I think will happen. A, B, C. Maybe before another drop. So Ethereum might have made its peak. Ethereum might have made its peak at 4,106. It will not go higher than this, mind you. So this look like A, B, C, D, E. So you see the same thing, A, B, C. So we might get the final push, which won't make a new high. Okay. So be careful. Coins are getting exhausted. coins are getting exhausted buying. So be careful. The best time to invest in crypto is when the price is down, not when the price is up. You begin to invest. It means you are ready to see your portfolio drop by 40%, 50%, even 60%. Then it will recover before you look for gain. That would be terrible. So don't invest in Bitcoin now. You can trade, but if it is investment, this time is not a good time to invest. Meanwhile, this is not a financial advice. I'm telling you, if you I'm telling you what I will do if I have money that I'm not using and I wanted to invest. I will not invest it in cryptos right now because the price is high. I'd rather wait. If I don't see no post else, I will invest it. I will convert it and trade with it rather than investing now. Imagine buying Bitcoin at 105,000. We can make profit. Yes, we make profit, but you may see it go to 120,000. If you don't sell it, you may see it go down to 60,000, 50, even 40,000. It's possible, which means you have to wait for 2, 3, 4, 5 years before you make profit. So I'm giving you this type of thing I teach my students, but take it free for today. Maybe you're lucky to hear this. The media will never tell you what will happen in crypto because they don't know. They will always calculate if Bitcoin move if Bitcoin gained 20,000 within 2 weeks, it means the coming 2 weeks it will gain another 20,000. That's how they calculate it because they don't know. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join our channels. They are free. When you join our channel, don't spam the channel. Don't send links. Because once we do that, the bot will delete it. If the bot doesn't delete it, I will remove you. So if you want to join my link, join and respect yourself. You can share your chats, but you don't share trade results. For instance, this is Litecoin, and for your analysis, you think it will buy. If you post that it will buy, fine. Then after it bought, you can post the result. But if you didn't post that it will buy, once you post the result, without posting the trade, I will remove the trade and I will actually remove you. No link, no deception. What I say so. Some people will like to see people. After the trade have gone, they will just make a chart and show that they made the money. I don't do that, and I don't do that on my channel. Join my channel, but respect yourself. I share trade setups every now and then. People are making profit freely. I don't sell signal. I don't charge you money. The only time you pay me is if you want to learn from me. Then I'll add you to students so VIP channel. Thank you and God bless you.